Ever wondered how many flavors of canned cat food there are on Amazon? Neither have I. So here we are, pulling in the data and throwing it into this Jupyter notebook. And no, we're not about to crunch all this manually. The plan is just to ask ChatGPT to write us some code. I expected to copy the code from ChatGPT, paste it into Jupyter, and bam, instant analysis. But no, it doesn't work that way. To get the best results, it's all about crafting a good prompt. So here's the new plan. Be clear and specific. Guide the output, break down big tasks, provide context. Wow, ChatGPT sends back a neat code snippet. Step 1. Summarize the data. Look, we've got 228 products with 16 features, including 11 flavors. Perfect. But hold on, I hadn't thought about duplicates. There was no such code in the response, but no worries, just refine the prompt. And no, there is no need to go through all the context again. ChatGPT remembers it quite well. Problem solved. Turns out we had 11 duplicates. Now we're down to 217 unique cat foods. Next, I want to see some descriptive statistics coded by ChatGPT. Prices range wildly, from $40 to over $6,500. But some prices are missing. What else is missing? Let's have a look. I also see gaps in the ratings and comments. No big deal. I'm asking ChatGPT for options, and it suggests a few ways to deal with missing values. I go with the quick fix, drop them for now. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Back to the analysis. Most products cost under $2,000, but some are priced much higher. And package weights? Most are under 2 kilograms, but a few are up to 14 kilograms. Bigger packs, higher prices, right? Maybe. Or is it just that consumers like them more? You see, some products received more than 12K comments. Could the price range be explained by brand policy? By the way, how many brands do we have? Let's find matching fragments and check for unique categorical values. Only 7 have at least 10 products each. I'm asking ChatGPT again. The graph confirms, bigger packs generally mean higher prices. But there is also a big difference in the pricing policies of the brands. The correlation matrix confirms it once again. Weight has the strongest effect on price with a 70% correlation. And look, want to be vegan, have a special price. But there is also a correlation between some ingredients. When modeling, we should select the features carefully. So in just a few minutes, we've gone from clueless to cat food data pros, all by refining the prompts and letting ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Next time you're stuck, skip the bugs and prompt your way to cleaner code.